Hi everyone and welcome back to the Best Reviews channel. Today we'll be going over an excellent resume builder from New York City, Resume.io.
Welcome to Best Reviews.
Having been on the market for over a decade, this platform has been continuously improving and upgrading, and now it's much more than just a resume builder. Come along as we dissect Resume.io's editor, AI assistant, career toolkit, built-in job board, and much more. By the end of this video, you'll know whether this resume builder is going to be the helpful hand you need to land your next interview. As always, remember to check out our website at bestreviews.net for a more thorough and up-to-date review. And now let's hear from Michaela as she dives into the details.
Hi everyone! Let's go over what Resume.io has to offer, shall we? Creating an account with this resume builder is as simple as it gets. We recommend signing up for a free account first to properly check out this platform. Although it comes with some limitations, it's the perfect way to test the waters before going for a paid trial or full subscription. The way you create an account is by building your first resume. Choose your template and insert your information, and you'll be directed to the company's intuitive editor. Here, you can start from scratch, have an AI fill in the information for you, use an example from a professional, or just upload your existing resume. From there, you just have to fill in your information and you're ready to go. However, keep in mind that free users can only download resumes in TXT format. Paying customers have access to PDF and DocX. Building a professional-looking resume is only one of the ways that Resume.io brings you closer to your dream job. By visiting your dashboard, you'll be presented with step-by-step instructions on how to complete your profile so that the platform's tools are tailored to your career path. These include job recommendations, AI interview prep, and better suggestions when building your resume, to name just a few. Resume.io's wide array of features is impressive. Although minimalist, the Resume Builder provides over 10 pre-made sections to add information to your resume, going from employment history and education to skills and references. There's also the option to create custom sections, but unfortunately it's too basic to be useful. All sections come with suggestions that are tailored to your professional experience and the position you're aiming for. In fact, you can even provide a link to the job description to make the AI recommendations as fine-tuned as possible. The cover letter editor is a bit simpler, as it's essentially a basic text editor. However, you can use AI to write the cover letter for you automatically. It uses the information added to the resume and job post, making this tedious step of applying to a job quick and painless. There are over 30 resume templates to choose from in Resume.io, including a few that are ATS friendly. However, some of the templates are very similar, making it hard to create a resume that's uniquely yours. It also doesn't help that there's limited template customization. You can only change the font size and the template's color scheme. Where Resume.io shines the most is its career toolkit. Powered by AI, Resume.io offers custom career plans with tailored career paths, job recommendations, peer comparisons, and more. You can also train for your interviews with the AI interview prep, compare the salaries companies are offering you with the market average, and use Resume.io's resume distribution services to have your resume sent to up to 50 recruiters per week if you're from the US or UK. Finally, the platform has its own built-in job board and tracker, meaning you can use Resume.io in all stages of the recruitment process. If you need more help, the Resume Builder connects you with third-party career coaches and resume writers in just a few clicks. Of course, these services are paid separately. It's rare for resume builders to be as transparent about their pricing as Resume.io is. Although the company follows the standard of having a 7-day paid trial that automatically renews to a monthly subscription, this information is clearly visible on the company's pricing table. The trial costs $2.95, but you can check the platform through the free version first. Even though you can only create one resume and one cover letter, it provides access to the career toolkit, which is one of the main reasons to keep subscribed to Resume.io. As always, the longer you commit, the cheaper the service becomes. Resume.io rewards users who opt for annual plans with a 75% discount rate compared to the monthly price. If a year seems like a long time, there are also monthly and 6-month options. All subscriptions are protected by a 7-day money-back guarantee. Resume.io service is available via email and phone in the US, but only via email everywhere else. On the downside, customer support doesn't operate 24/7, and you might have to wait a few days to get a response. But before reaching out to an agent, there are plenty of resources to explore on the website, including a decent FAQ and several how-to videos. Plus, the company is always putting out new content on its blog, YouTube channel, and social media pages. Now, over to Mary for the closing remarks.
Thank you, Michaela. As you just saw, Resume.io is a reliable resume builder that provides plenty of features that make it worth your time. The platform is extremely intuitive, so regardless of your technical ability, you'll be able to easily create your resume. Although it comes with some limitations, the free version is the perfect way to try everything for yourself before committing to a paid plan. But what takes the cake are all the extras that Resume.io provides to help secure your next job. And the best part is that you can even apply for jobs directly on the platform. There's some space for improvement though. We would have liked to see more customization in the resume building process, and customer support would benefit from having live chat and 24/7 support. All things considered, Resume.io is best for beginners due to its intuitive editor, user-friendly templates, and tailored suggestions. For more information on Resume.io's features and offers, check out our website at bestreviews.net. See you in the next one, and good luck with your job hunting.
Thanks for watching our video review. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified of future videos. See you next time!